Uncle Jeff's Easy Peasy English today is looking at the word order of adjectives. Have a look at this sentence here. What are the missing words? Lisa was carrying a bag. Is it A, B, or C? What do you think? What are the missing words for this sentence? Lisa was carrying a bag. Is it A, B, or C? The answer is C. A small black plastic bag. It's size, color, material, and usually not more than 3 adjectives. Lisa was carrying a small black plastic bag. The word order for adjectives? Easy peasy-ish. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time on Uncle Jeff's Easy Peasy English. Bye-bye for now.